Conventional medicine is usually timed. You know, you've got 5 minutes to talk to somebody, you've got this, you've got that, you know, you just move, 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 move. And this is not that way. This is more of a healing experience. When I was 16, I had a major motorcycle wreck. Kind of changed the trajectory of my life. So I hit another motorcycle head to head, and our heads actually hit. So I laid in the hospital for 3 months, casted like the cartoon guy, you know, in a full body cast. And they told me I'd never walk again, and that was a whole nother drama. But what they didn't address was the concussion, because I was light sensitive. I had headaches for 3 years, but they never really addressed that at that time. And they never really did. But when I started having cognitive issues and my personality changed, and I just kind of felt like my brain was falling off a cliff. You know, I didn't trust my decisions. Plus I had an issue in between the two where I had a really bad PTSD from a thing that happened in my life. So when I ran across Dr. Efrati's TED Talk, like 2.5 years ago, I was like, this is the real deal. Everybody was just so friendly and so different than conventional medicine, you know. And it wasn't until I came here and we did the image of my brain, you could see all the blue in the image up here where it was damaged. And now it's practically all gone after the treatment. So it's a much healthier color. I can think more clearly. I made huge improvements. I mean, on the VO2 max, which is one of the newer benchmarks for longevity, mine increased 29%. And then the aerobic capacity, they hope for 10% on that. I did 53%. What goes on at Aviv is completely natural and God-given, in my opinion, because you're using oxygen, you're using pressure, and the body is naturally producing stem cells and healing itself. It's you. It's just putting you in the right conditions for the body to do what it was already designed to do. I mean, I'm 70 years old, and I'm really looking forward to the next 20 years. The world just seemed brighter, and that's kind of how it is for me. The world just seems brighter. You know, I'm just much more at peace now, you know.